12. Skip Monday. Strategize early to better execute later. It usually happens around Sunday afternoon. The vague, uncomfortable reminder that tomorrow is Monday. You get revved up, start the week at your A game, but the pressure can often crush any real or perceived progress. It could be a rough cycle. Instead, consider shifting your usual Monday work to Tuesday. Whether your business is based on a traditional work week or loosely framed around consultant hours, it is a simple strategy that can save you both time and anxiety. Number 1, no one is paying attention on Monday. When do brands announce things that they don't want to get attention? Friday afternoon. And despite the norm, I'd argue that Monday morning would be a close second, as everyone is antsy to get out what they've been working on or thinking about since late last week. The same can be said for important internal and external meetings, major sales launches, and anything else that requires serious attention. It's like we have a gag order for 2.5 days, and suddenly we have the opportunity to talk. Things quiet down on Tuesday morning, making the second day of the week perfect to make your announcement or to have a conversation. Number 2, no one's ready for Monday. Office space cliches aside, we do have a mental shift after 2 days off. Even if, like me, you work over the weekend, there's a difference between quietly getting things done and manning the workday phone, email, and social media. Respect that you, and most everyone else, are still in second gear. Treat Monday as you would Friday, laying down the groundwork for the upcoming days, but leaving the serious thought and actions to later. Number 3, no one is listening on Monday. When it comes to connecting with others, Monday is a pretty rough day. Monday is considered one of the weakest days to post on social media. Wednesday arguably is the best, as well as one of the worst days to cold call. Friday takes the award here. Save your heavy discussions and your asks for another day. Tuesday is an excellent candidate. Number 4, no one is satisfied with his or her progress on Monday. As a 5-day culture, we create this immense pressure to be as productive as possible every week. It may motivate you sometimes, but any less than stellar work or unfinished business comes back to bite us in the behind on Monday. It's like the ghosts of Friday's past begin haunting on Sunday night, and by Monday morning, you're feeling the weight to make up even more for last week's lackluster productivity, even if it wasn't actually lackluster. The expectation of bigger, better results can be an eternal struggle, or worse, projected onto other people, including employees and colleagues, which means even if you don't feel that way on Monday, there are others that are struggling. Why not sidestep the melodrama? Make a simple, limited list of what needs to get done on Monday, create a dialogue with others, enforcing the focused approach, and save the heavy lifting for a less psychologically heavy day. Tuesday.